Welcome back. Wilma's Boys School Principal Dr. Walton Small was returned as President of the Intersecondary School Sports Association ISA after edging Vice President Keith Wellington 52 votes to 50 at the annual general meeting today. There were 3 spoiled ballots. Wellington was returned unopposed as Vice President. The remainder of the executive remains with Albert Korcher as Treasurer.
My presentation when I said,
well, I'm extremely happy that the members have the confidence in me that I can continue to lead the organization. Well, for me, as far as I'm concerned, we have, to make it a more efficient and effective organization, I want to look at introducing a policy committee, include also an execution as well as operations.